Today, we're going to be putting HyperOS on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra in slow motion. Why? Well, because I like it. Hi, I'm Captain Awesome. This is Geekception. And please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you like what I do here. And we have memberships in case you want to support. Now, let's get into the video. And there you have it. That is HyperOS on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra right here in slow motion. And I kind of started this off as a gag a couple of years ago for a bit of lore. And I've just enjoyed making these videos whenever I get like a new device, and I just wanted to see how it is in slow motion. So yes, I hope if you are making it all the way here, you like it as well. And yes, you are absolutely the person I'm making this video to, because I like it. And if nobody watched it and it was just me, I would still make it because I just like making videos like this. Anyways, thank you so much for checking checking out this video. I really do hope you like, you subscribe, you leave a comment as to what you liked or what part of the interface you liked. What do you think of HyperOS here on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra as well? All of those things will be fabulous in case you want to buy me a coffee or you want to support me on PayPal or with memberships here on YouTube. You can also do that. Links are in the comment or description right down there below. And as I said, I'm your captain of awesome. This is Geekception, and I hope you stay awesome. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.